Now let's change her outfit. A gentle breeze lifts the fabric, and she looks absolutely stunning.
Every night in my dreams, I feel you, I see you.
Hello those fans, this is Ken. Today we are unboxing a Jarliet hybrid doll. A hybrid doll uses a silicone head and combined with a TPE body. Some of you may have seen this term, but not know exactly what it means. The concept is simple. Silicone gives sharp details and a beautiful finish, though it costs more. While TPE feels soft, is easy to repair, and is more affordable. But it doesn't capture details as well as silicone. By combining the two, you get a doll has a soft, skin-like body, a delicate, attractive head, and a reasonable price. That's why many customers love hybrid dolls. The Jarliet box itself is quite basic. There are no wooden boards or foam blocks around the head or feet, which means if the shipping company stands the box upright, the neck or feet could get squeezed. In fact, you can see slight marks on both ends of this doll. We've already shared this feedback with Jarliet Ena, and they plan to add wooden frame like the reinforcements and better neck support in future boxes. Be careful with scissors because both TPE and silicone can be easily damaged. I recommend cutting a small opening first and then tearing the rest by hand. Instead of slicing straight through the packaging like I did. Next, we lift the one leg and bring her into a sitting position. The chest caught my attention right away, but we'll take a closer look later. The hands come with wider fingers. The feet appear slightly swollen because the box was placed upright during shipping, so the feet were under constant pressure. It's a not serious problem, just straighten them and let the doll rest for a few days. TPE has great elasticity and will return to its shape. Now let's attach the head. Jarliet provides a quick adapter M16 screw. Simply align it with the center of the neck. Push down and the head looks in place. My co-worker helped me place the doll on the stand. She weighs around 100 pounds. So it's important to keep the weight close to the doll's chest when lifting to avoid strain. Since TPE bodies can only stand with belts in the feet, I recommend putting shoes on the doll to protect your floor and the metal doll stand. The shoes may get slightly damaged because of the belts, but it's the safer way to stand her. Now comes my favorite part, brushing her hair. Ena's hair has impressive volume and a beautiful color. I always feel that a doll looks most attractive when you brush her hair. Maybe some of you feel the same. Here's a quick tip about shedding. A little shedding is normal, but most hair loss comes from brushing incorrectly. Always hold the roots with one hand and use a wide tooth scoop. Brush gently and never pull forcefully from the ends with just one hand. Next, take a look at the chest with the 5-point Touch Moaning feature. You can feel a small sensor plate inside. If you prefer, you can choose a version without this feature.
You jump, I jump. Rose, I'm Jack. Every night in my dreams, I feel you, I see you. That is how I know you.
Ena has wide fingers, but customers can upgrade to articulate fingers if you want. And sometimes when there is an event, it's free. Let's do a full spin so you can see her shape. Now let's change her outfit. A gentle breeze lifts the fabric, and she looks absolutely stunning. Many people say Jarliet's TP body looks very similar to silicone. I completely agree. If you don't touch or smell it, you might even mistake it for silicone. Jarliet's material quality is excellent and it doesn't produce much oil. The feet are my least favorite part of TP bodies. Sometimes bolts are too deep or too shallow. If they go too deep, the TP touches the floor and get damaged. That's why I always recommend putting shoes on TPE dolls. Last but not least, let's talk this important feature, Jarliet's robotic device 5-in-1. It includes AI talk, Vagina Suction, Vagina Heating, Jitter Butt, and a 5-point Touch Moaning. I'll make a full video dedicated just to this feature soon.
Increase suck level.
Want it rougher? Okay, I'll suck harder for you.
Max vibration.
Craving more? Fine, I'll pound you even harder.
Minimum vibration.
Alright, giving you the lightest touch. Feel it slowly.
Turn off suck.
Want me to stop? Okay, I'll be a good girl and stop.
Turn off old motor.
Alright, stopping for now, but come find me again next time.
That's all for today. If you love Jarliet dolls and their amazing features, visit allyourdolls.com and search for Jarliet doll. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a like and share this video. Your support helps us create more high quality sex doll content. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.